with another video, and this video is about how my bird has a new cage and it's pretty cool. Here's his old cage. It's nice, it's decent. You guys seen that one, but I'll show you the new one in 3, 2, 1. There you go. That's his new cage. It's humongous. Okay. Let me open this and try to pet him. Or is he gonna try to get out? Stay there. No. You're not coming out. I just wanted to pet you, but you ruined it. Yeah, you. There you go.